Gemini, the Google's AI technology, made ChatGPT cry. In this video, you are going to see the comparison between Google Gemini and ChatGPT. Google Deepmind or Gemini has the capabilities that can solve almost all your daily life problems. And if you don't use these AI technologies today, tomorrow you will be years behind from your competitors. Let us get started and see the comparison between Google Gemini and ChatGPT. Google has tested and published the comparison between Gemini and ChatGPT-4 on this URL: deepmind.google/technologies/Gemini/#capabilities. First, the AI capabilities of processing text-based information. Here you see the Gemini Ultra and ChatGPT-4. Capability: general, representation of questions in 57 subjects. So Gemini is 90%, but ChatGPT-4 is 86.4%. Reasoning: diverse set of challenging tasks requiring multi-step reasoning. Mathematics: basic arithmetic manipulations including grade school math problems. It is still higher. For developers, for generating codes and programs, it is still higher. It is capable of generating codes in Python. In multimodal, processing images, audios, and videos, multidiscipline college-level reasoning problems. Gemini is 59 and ChatGPT is 56. Natural image understanding, OCR on natural images, document understanding, infographic understanding, mathematical reasoning in visual context. English video captioning, which is a great tool for creators. Video question answering, which is a great tool for schools, colleges, and educational organizations. Automatic speech translation, which is a great tool for conference. Automatic speech recognition. Based on word error rate, lower is better. So Gemini is 7, but ChatGPT is 17. You also have the option to build with Gemini. Build with Gemini. Integrate Gemini models into your application with Google AI Studio and Google Cloud, Vertex AI. If you click on this, you can get your API keys and then integrate it in your application. Here you have available languages and available regions. Before you start, make sure that your region is included in this list. Otherwise, it will not work. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times.